Using cardamom in coffee is a traditional practice in many Middle Eastern and Scandinavian countries, where the spice is highly valued for its unique flavor and aroma. To use cardamom in coffee, start by grinding whole green cardamom pods into a fine powder using a spice grinder or mortar and pestle. Add the ground cardamom to your coffee grounds before brewing for a subtle and aromatic flavor. Start with a small amount, about 1/4 teaspoon per cup of coffee, and adjust to taste. You can also add the ground cardamom to your coffee after brewing, but be careful not to overdo it, as the flavor can quickly become overpowering. Another way to use cardamom in coffee is to make a cardamom syrup by simmering the ground spice in water and sugar. This syrup can be added to your coffee for a sweet and spicy flavor. Simply combine 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar in a saucepan. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom, and simmer over low heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. To make the most of cardamom in your coffee, use high-quality Arabica coffee beans and freshly grind the beans just before brewing. Also, experiment with different roast levels and brewing methods to find the perfect balance of flavors. For a traditional Scandinavian-style coffee, use a light roast coffee and a pour-over or drip brewing method. In terms of best practices, it is essential to note that cardamom can quickly lose its flavor and aroma if not stored properly. Store the ground cardamom in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to preserve its flavor and aroma. Additionally, use fresh cardamom pods for the best flavor, as old or stale pods can be bitter and unpleasant. By following these steps and tips, you can easily incorporate cardamom into your coffee routine and experience the unique and invigorating flavor of this traditional spice. Whether you prefer a subtle hint of cardamom or a bold and spicy flavor, experimenting with cardamom in your coffee can add a new level of depth and excitement to your daily coffee ritual.